Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about one error that you may encounter when working with Mongodb and React or Next.js. So the error is like this: TypeError cannot read property startsWith of undefined. So when I was trying to connect to Mongodb server, then I was getting this error. And the reason why this was happening is because the connection string for the Mongodb server was put into this .env.local file, okay? But the problem was that I didn't restart my server, and that is the critical point. If you don't restart the server after changing env.local file, what happens is that the changes are not picked up, and then when you try to connect to the Mongodb, you are actually trying to connect with empty connection string, and that is when the error is coming. So just make sure you are not passing the empty connection string, and also make sure that if you have put that connection string in the .env.local file, like configuration file, you have to restart the server. Like it is a React server or it is a Next.js server, you have to restart it, because after the server is restarted, at that point of time, these changes are picked up. These changes will not be picked up at runtime. That's it. That's how you can fix this error. Thanks for watching.